never a good feeling. You have a cruise ship bearing right down on you. Just a second ago, he's headed straight at us. It's pretty scary. Alright, we went to church. Wow, the sun's bright. And then in Split, we rented a car to go down to Dubrovnik. Some wonderful friends from Singapore. We found out they're down in Dubrovnik, so it's about a 3-hour drive. So we're driving down there, and it is stunning. The drive is awesome. What do you think? Pretty cool drive, huh? There's Bosnia. So I guess we have to go through Bosnia here, but they're building this bridge across here to make it so you avoid having to cross over the border. Excited to bring the boat down here. It's kind of fun. We went into Bosnia. How long have we been in Bosnia for?
10 minutes.
10-minute drive, and now we're checking back into Croatia. Kind of fun. Never been to Bosnia before. So we came to Dubrovnik. We forgot one important part, is to bring swimming suits. So that's those.
I'm wearing Goliath's clothes.
Goliaths.
It's like a foot of just free range.
They look good, MZ.
Yeah.
Oh, yours.
Ruby?
This is mine.
Oh yeah.
Combination of summer and winter.
I like it.
Summer and winter.
And Gina got me the captain shorts. The drive here, Dubrovnik is amazing. This area is so cool. We're pumped to be able to bring the boat up here. So we had such a wonderful time last night, being able to meet up with our wonderful friend Melly and be able to meet her family. Her sister's waiting for hopefully a heart transplant, and so they're coming here to be together as a family, as a spiritual retreat. And so it's such a beautiful thing to be able to be a part of their family last night. So we're so happy that we're able to see Melly again. We've seen each other in Ohio, in Singapore. Anyway, it's so wonderful to have friends to see all over the world. So now we're on our way home and heading back up to Split. And right now, this valley that we're in right now is so cool. It's huge, and there's produce everywhere grown in it, from all kinds of fruits and vegetables. But it's beautiful. You come over the mountain and it's all just so green. So we have stopped and grabbing some produce. So we're about 2 hours away from the boat, and time to get some work done. The B&G, I think I shared this in one of my videos, but our almost brand new B&G chart plotter went out on us, and we had a technician come onto the boat this morning and replace that. So he's actually going to come back and meet us this afternoon and help get it all configured properly. We are just loving Croatia. It's so beautiful. Been able to meet a lot of really great people, and we're excited. My brother and his wife are going to get here on Wednesday, so we're excited to be able to spend a week with them and kind of show them around what we already know and explore some new places. The best part of being at a marina, not all of them, but a lot of them have laundry services, and they hold them for us.
1,000. We had 5 machines. We do not accept credit cards. No cards, please.
Just a good little guy. All right, so our dagger boards just got here. So we are heading to the marina where the dagger boards are to hopefully get them installed. The boat slides so much when the wind's pushing it, and so it'll be super nice to have the dagger boards back in. It will be a very nice thing to have. Got our dagger boards. We are going to, so we moved marinas, didn't get the dagger boards and stuff, too big, so we're frustrated, but we are going to dinner now with the sister missionaries. I guess there's 2 sets. I guess there's some exchanges going on, so there's 2 sets of them, so it will be fun. Yeah, we're gonna go over to Split, which is like 15 minutes from here. There's a beautiful restaurant right on the water, so it'll be fun. We've wanted to check it out and just haven't had the opportunity to. They're always way overbooked, so we're glad we can go over there and do that. Have like 30 to 40 knots, eddy 20, but it makes it so we can't, a little bit too much wind to go out today, so we ended up just staying. Look how the what happened, Ruby?
Gum got stuck in my hair.
How?
I don't know. I want to turn around. I want to turn around. Turn around.
We've heard all about this national park, so we're excited to go check it out. What do you say? How's the wind?
Crazy.
Yeah?
We're at a big national park and we're about to go in and see the waterfall and stuff. The bus ride is like we're in a rodeo.
A rodeo?
Yeah.
Or a race?
Yeah, we're in a race around the turns and stuff.
Very scary.
Yeah.
What's your favorite waterfall you've ever seen?
I like the Ohio one. I love that.
At our campground?
Yeah.
So pretty.
Whoa. We're at the falls and we're going to walk around and maybe like we're gonna eat lunch and stuff and see all the falls, and so yeah, bye. We've been seeing a lot of fish here and waterfalls and stuff and plants, and I think it's cool how the fish can just roam and their home is here. I think that.
We just came from the national park and are in 70. And go just see a building up here real quick. And then we will head back to the boat. That's why we're not out on the seas. It's very wild. got up. Here's to the 4th day of wonderful wind. Our taxi driver is awesome. We asked him to take us to this castle, and he said, well, just a minute, I have a surprise for you. And he brought us here, this coliseum stadium, I don't know what you call it. 27 AD is when it was built. It's incredible. It's pretty cool we've driven past here so many times, but had no idea it was here. It's kind of fun to find new gems. Who won, Ruby?
Me.
Who won, Emmer?
Me.
One of the, I shared this in one of our other videos, but it's when you start thinking about the Colosseum in Rome and stuff, how it was built through slavery, and you just kind of start imagining the evilness of each one of these stadiums as for fighting and killing and for entertainment of the people. And it's pretty sad, and it's sad that we come to these places. Those people are so cool, but anyway, it's very interesting when you start deeply thinking about it.
Like a dinosaur?
The boat is right over here. Where are we at?
Cliff's Fortress.
Cliff's Fortress. It's always good to have Gina around. She knows the names of stuff. I never know the names of anything. How we doing?
Good.
How we doing?
Good.
They caught a fish. They caught a fish. It's bigger than the last one. Before, when we bought our boat, I guess soon after we bought our boat, I told Gina it's my dream to be able to meet a family and to be able to take them out on a sail and just spend the day with some random family. And we've been able to do it a couple of different times now, and honestly it's such a treat for us to be able to share such a huge blessing in our life with other people, and to be able to our kids, it's so wonderful to have their kids with us, and everybody just had a fabulous time. We feel very fortunate to be able to do this, and just so grateful that we can share it with other people. Here's the most beautiful lady there ever was.
I am.
Making some fish tacos. Hey. So when we left today, when we got back from church, our boat was rocking so bad. Gina was not feeling good, but she's a trooper. She made us lunch, and anyway, she powered through it. Powered through. Now you're feeling great?
Much.
Good. We are heading over to Hvar, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Apparently it's a pretty wild town on the weekends. It's a big attraction there. So anyway, we are excited to go over there and check it out. We've been in the area, but we haven't been into this port yet. And so hopefully we can get in. I think it's first come, first serve area as far as the mooring balls and stuff goes. So hopefully we can get in. Who won?
Me. He played.
Last time I won.
Yeah, he won and then I won.
Living her best life. How's school? So we are gonna try and pull into this anchorage here. It's right around the corner. and hang out for a little bit before we head over to the city. Here's our guy.